Hey guys, it's Lacey. I'm back with a new video at 12 a.m. I'm stretching the 10 gauge. I'm tired, so even though I still look slightly terrible. So a little background. I originally stretched my ears to 14 gauge on March 20th. That didn't really work out, so then I stretched them again to 14 gauge. I stretched to 12 gauge on April 13th. Today is May 2nd. The reason I'm stretching is because I know my ears are ready. I'm not gonna do it if it hurts. So that's fun. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I want to go to bed. So let me take this out. We're gonna put some solution on this Q-tip so I can clean my ear. Vitamin E oil. Okay, we're gonna massage. This is the 10 gauge bag. It has vitamin E oil all over it because I spilled it on it and then it rubbed off the label that said 10 gauge. I'm going to take out the taper. They're already sterilized, by the way. Yeah, that's as far as it will go. Now I'm gonna try to get the plug. That was easy. I don't like how easy, excuse my face, it's breaking out, but this is what it looks like. Compare it to the 4 gauge if you can see. Did I clean this one? No, I didn't. Okay. This was easy once again. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and film this because my camera's about to die and my card is almost full. So that would be the end of this video. You can check out more of my ear stretching videos. I'll link that in the description. And also, what am I forgetting? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Bye.